losing your physical independence, not because of chronological age, but because your body has completely forgotten how to execute a few basic movement patterns. As the decades creep up, conventional fitness programs tell you to lift heavier weights on machines, but those machines end up masking hidden weak links while your joints continue to stiffen. These 5 science-backed exercises target the exact areas that cause your movement to break down, allowing you to reverse signs of biological aging, eliminate nagging aches, and build a protective shield around your spine before it is too late. The first movement on our list serves as the ultimate test and foundation for lifelong knee health, revealing instantly if your joints are bearing the brunt of your weight. By the end of this video, I will also pinpoint the single most overlooked exercise of the 5, the one specific movement that acts as an absolute prerequisite for spinal safety and overall stability as you grow older. Let us begin with a posture that addresses a common and incredibly frustrating frustration: standing up from a chair or walking down a flight of stairs, only to feel a dull, nagging ache right in your kneecaps. Most people blame arthritis or simply getting older, but the reality is that the connective tissues and stabilizers around your knees have simply weakened from localized inactivity. The wall sit fixes this by forcing the surrounding tendons to stabilize under a constant, safe load without the destructive friction of repetitive bending. To execute this correctly, lean your back flat against the wall and slide your torso down until your thighs are roughly parallel to the floor. Ensure your heels are planted firmly into the ground and actively press your entire spine into the surface behind you. Avoid holding your breath as the tension builds. Instead, focus on slow, controlled exhales. Aim to hold this position for 60 seconds to wake up the deep stabilizers that will protect your knees for decades to come. Moving down the chain, we have to look at the true culprit behind most lower back issues. Think about how many times your lower back has tweaked or felt stiff just from bending over to tie your shoes or getting out of a car. Most lower back pain is actually a hip problem in disguise. When your hips lose their ability to rotate due to years of sitting in chairs, your lower spine is forced to twist and compensate, leading to inevitable injury. The 90-90 hip hold works deep inside the joint capsule, restoring the internal and external rotation that keeps your lower back safe. Sit directly on the floor and position both legs at 90-degree angles, placing one leg flat in front of you and the other flat to the side. Keep your spine perfectly tall and square. If your hips are exceptionally tight and you find your torso leaning away from the floor, simply place your hands on the ground for support to keep your pelvis stable. Hold this deep stretch for 30 seconds on one side, then carefully switch to the other. 1 minute here completely changes how your pelvis moves. Next is a position that is a natural human resting posture, yet one that most adults completely lose the ability to perform. If your ankles and hips are locked up, you'll notice your lower back rounding aggressively whenever you try to squat down to pick something up from the floor. Losing this pattern accelerates joint aging. Spending time in a deep squat acts as a natural lubricant for your lower body, driving fresh nutrients directly into the cartilage of your hips, knees, and ankles. Drop your hips down into a deep squat, going as low as your current flexibility allows while ensuring your heels stay entirely flat on the ground. If you feel like you're going to topple backward, do not force it. Simply hold on to a sturdy chair or a door frame to keep your posture upright. Remain in this deep position for 60 seconds. You are forcing your joints back into the exact alignment they were biologically designed to maintain. Our fourth movement acts as the ultimate antidote to the modern world, which constantly pulls your upper body forward into a slumped position. This forward-leaning trap rounds your shoulders, tightens your chest, and leaves you with a chronically stiff neck and aching upper back. The open book stretch directly targets upper spine rotation, which is essential if you want to keep your shoulders moving freely without impingement. Lie comfortably on your side with your knees bent and stacked directly on top of each other. Extend your arms out in front of you, then slowly rotate your top arm up and all the way across your body toward the floor behind you, letting your eyes follow your moving hand. It is crucial to keep your knees pinned together and glued to the floor, as this locks your lower back and forces the rotation to happen exactly where you need it in the upper spine. Spend 30 seconds opening up each side to immediately release tension across your chest. Finally, we arrive at the absolute secret to spinal survival and independence. True core strength has nothing to do with six-pack aesthetics. It's about creating an unyielding corset of muscle to protect your lower back from everyday strains. The hollow body hold teaches your ribs and pelvis to lock together as one cohesive unit, activating the deep, stabilizing abdominal muscles that typically go to sleep as inactivity sets in. Lie completely flat on your back and press your lower spine firmly into the floor, ensuring there is absolutely no gap between your back and the ground. From there, lift your feet and your shoulders just a few inches into the air while maintaining that intense downward pressure against the floor. If you feel your lower back beginning to arch or lift, simply tuck your knees slightly towards your chest to modify the movement. Of all the exercises we covered, this hollow body hold is the most critical to master because it dictates how well your spine resists unwanted force during every other activity. Commit to holding this position for 60 seconds. By combining these 5 movements into a brief, consecutive 5-minute routine every morning, you stop managing your physical decline and start actively reversing it. Your body will thank you for years to come. See you in the next video.